Hi, my name is Lohith and I'm a senior program manager at Amazon Business. As sellers, you would have sold your products to retail customers for personal needs. But did you know you can sell your products to business customers for their B2B needs as well? Presenting to you Amazon Business, the B2B opportunity in India. In this presentation, we are going to cover the basic overview of Amazon Business opportunity, some of the key B2B features that you could adopt to improve visibility for business customers, and the things you need to do in order to grow your B2B sales. Amazon Business was launched in 2017 in India, and our sellers have had an opportunity to market their products to millions of businesses in India, including some of the top companies here. Now let's take a look at what some of our sellers have to say. The increased reach allows them to sell to businesses across the country. Customers benefit from GST credit as we provide an automated GST invoice. Selling B2B allows for a spike in sales of hundreds of units at once. And finally, for minimal additional effort, the same seller central account, the same products offer an expanded opportunity. So to summarize, the key benefits are: grow your sales by selling to more customers, ship bulk orders and save on shipping charges at a unit level, benefit from automated invoicing so that customers can seamlessly claim GST credit, and manage your B2B and B2C inventory from a single seller central account with no additional effort. Now let's take a look at what the business customer experience on the website looks like and how is it different for retail customers. So you'll notice GST inclusive and exclusive prices are displayed, and you get to win the buy box on GST exclusive price. There's a GST invoice badge that is displayed, indicating to customers that they get GST credit for this purchase. And then there are quantity-based prices that are shown to motivate business customers to purchase larger quantities. Now let's move on to some of the key B2B feature sets that are available to sellers. You can view recommendations of what products are in demand from business customers so that you can add them and grow sales. You can offer quantity-based pricing to promote bulk order sales. You can view and respond to bulk order quotes from business customers and lean on our sales support teams to close large orders. Lastly, you can view dashboards to understand insights and make smart decisions to grow your business. Now let's get into the details of each of these features and adoption to get B2B ready. The first one is on adding business relevant selection. So we provide you with a personalized recommendation of up to 1,000 products which are in high demand from business customers. They may or may not be available on Amazon. So if the products are already present on Amazon, you can simply add your offer to the same by visiting the Recommended for You tab. Else, you can visit the Products Not Yet on Amazon tab and add new listings. The next feature we are going to talk about is quantity discounts. So when you set quantity discounts, you can pack multiple units into one box and save on shipping costs. Now this leads to up to a 20% increase in bulk order sales for business customers. Lastly, this improves your chances of winning buy box at higher units. So when your product is sold as a single unit, it may be priced higher. But when it is sold in large quantities, decreasing the price improves your chances of sale. Further, I'm going to briefly talk about the best practices for setting quantity-based discounts. So tip number 1, start by offering a discount at 2 units. That way, you're incentivizing a business customer who is buying 1 unit to start buying 2 units. Tip number 2, set discounts at 5 units, 10 units and so on, so that this way customers have a range of options to choose from. Thirdly, you have an option to offer a fixed % off of your retail price or even set a fixed price at these units. Now let's move to the third key feature, responding to bulk order requests from business customers. On Amazon Business, we provide B2B customers with the option to request for a better quote at higher units. So a quote request is automatically triggered to all sellers which are selling that specific product. So as a seller, you can respond with your best quote within 24 hours. If the customer likes the price, they go ahead and place orders on you. We also have a sales support team to enable sellers to close large orders from business customers. Lastly, let's talk about the B2B Central dashboard. This is a cool dashboard where you can get all the insights of your B2B business and take smart decisions. Which of my products are being bought the most by business customers? This will help you better stock those products. What segment of customers are buying more from me, so that you can start adding relevant products to that business segment. Where are these customers located, so that you can start locating your products closer to these business customers. And then lastly, how are my B2B sales growing year on year, and so on. So to summarize, the 4 key actions you need to take to grow your B2B sales are: number 1, visit B2B opportunities section and add recommended business selection. Number 2, set quantity-based discounts on your products. Number 3, visit the Manage Quotes page to respond to bulk order quotes from business customers. And number 4, visit B2B Central dashboard to make informed decisions about your B2B business. Now on your screen, you see some frequently asked questions. The answer to most of these is simple. Nothing changes. Your account is already enabled for B2B sales. There are no changes to fees. Ship the same way you would to a retail customer. But then if you look at how do you identify B2B customers, a badge is predominantly displayed for all B2B orders. And is there anything else you need to do differently in B2B? At the end of the month, you need to file GST returns for your B2B orders, mentioning the customer's GST ID. So, I hope you make use of this exciting opportunity of selling to business customers and grow your sales. Happy selling!
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to this masterclass about selling on Amazon. I am Kirankumar, Senior Product Manager, Seller Registration Experience for Amazon India. I hope this session will be helpful and I would be able to answer most of your questions about taking your business live on Amazon. If you have any questions during the session, please drop them in the chat box. Let me start by quickly talking about Amazon's journey in India. Amazon started operations in India in 2013 with just over 100 sellers selling approximately 70 lakh products. And today, more than 50% of our sellers belong to Tier 2 and beyond. Crores of products are sold across the remotest part of the country by more than 10 lakh sellers. It takes just a few minutes to set up your account on Amazon and you can start selling your products to crores of customers, no matter where you are located or what the size of your business is. As you must already know, Amazon is the most visited shopping destination across the globe. It gives you the opportunity to sell your products globally via Amazon's global selling program. And all it takes is 15 minutes. So, how can Amazon potentially help your business in growing? Increase reach to one of the largest customer bases in the world. Shipping services, whether you choose fulfillment by Amazon or EasyShip, we take care of delivering your products and managing their returns too, if needed. Payments, funds are safely and securely deposited in your bank account every 7 days. Managing your business becomes easy with the Amazon Seller app. We have over 6,400 sellers on Amazon who have become crorepati's by leveraging these benefits. You can be one of them too. Let's watch this video to understand how easy it is to start selling on Amazon.
अरे शर्मा जी, Amazon पे धंधा टनाटन
टन टनाटन
कैसे?
एक ऑर्डर अनेक ऑर्डर Amazon पे पाओगे कई ऑर्डर अपने दाम पे बेचो तुम यार फायदे का मीटर होगा शुरू यार।
फिर क्या हुआ?
बिजनेस बढ़ा, हुई तरक्की भारी, अमेज़न से जुड़ने की आपकी है बारी।
बस इतना ही?
इतना आसान है अमेज़न पर अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाना। आप भी अमेज़न से जुड़िए और आज ही खोलिए डब्बा तरक्की का।
Now, let us understand how selling on Amazon actually works. Registering on Amazon is free. Once you become a seller, display your products on Amazon and a customer purchases it. We fulfill the order if you have chosen Easy Ship or FBA, and you get paid for it once in 7 days for a nominal fee. How do you register your account to sell? It's very simple. Provide your contact information so that Amazon can share important notifications with you. Provide your business details like your business address. Provide your tax information such as GST and PAN number. We have provisions for you to apply even when you don't have a GST number, which is mandatory to sell on Amazon. Provide your bank account details. It is secure and is used for purpose of transferring the sales amount. Provide a detailed listing of your products so that the customers can make a buying decision they are confident about. One of the most important things you need to understand about selling on Amazon are the various ways in which your orders are fulfilled. 1. Self-ship, where packaging, shipping and delivering are managed by you, and you can also choose to deliver via courier partner. 2. Easy Ship, where you pack the products, Amazon picks it up and delivers it to your customers. 3. Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, where you store your products in Amazon's fulfillment center and we take care of the rest. We store your inventory, pack your products, ship and deliver them to your customers. The best thing about choosing FBA is that from the very first day, you get a prime tag attached to your product's display. If you choose Easy Ship or FBA, you get 24/7 customer support and the option to choose cash on delivery as your preferred method of payment. Now, what are the benefits of getting a Prime badge? Customers feel safer ordering from sellers who have a Prime badge attached to their products. It opens multiple growth opportunities for your business. Free and fast deliveries, high product visibility, a head start during the sale events. But what is the golden rule? On time and hassle-free delivery gets you repeated customers. So, when choosing your delivery option, keep that in your mind. It is of utmost importance. Now, let's talk about adding your products on Amazon. There are 2 ways to go about this. Search for the product, add it, attach a price and quantity, and that's it. If the product is not in the Amazon catalog, you will have to list it by adding attributes like title, specifications, a detailed description, and some high resolution images. Now, I'm going to list down a few quick tips to potentially help boost your sales. Identify your product's category. Check if you need approval in that particular category. If yes, make sure you have the supporting documents for categories that need such approvals. For example, if you are listing in grocery products, please ensure you have FSSAI license. Identify if the products you are listing comes with a barcode. If not, apply for a GTIN approval before listing. Lastly, think from the customer's perspective and add all the relevant information needed to make a confident buying decision. To make your products appear attractive, adhere to Amazon's style guides. Further, let us take a look at the support options available for you. 1. You can get your queries answered via our seller support 24/7 via phone, email or chat. 2. We have hosted a library of video tutorials on Seller University inside Seller Central. Here you can find step-by-step guides on all the topics surrounding selling on Amazon. In addition to that, we conduct multiple webinars each week with live chat to cater to all your concerns. Feel free to join them. If you still need one-on-one assistance, we also have SPN offerings for sellers. This service is provided by Amazon's accredited third-party vendors and caters to imaging and cataloging, advertising, pickups and delivery if you opt for FBA, account management and training. How can you manage your business with ease? Even when you are on the go, the Amazon Seller app is accessible to you. All the services we have mentioned today are available on the app itself. Just go to the Play Store or Apple Store, download the app and set your preferred language. And you are done. It's that easy. Now, Let's hear from a couple of sellers on how their experience has been like.
कस्टमर्स तो पूरे देश में हैं और हम हर शहर नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन Amazon के साथ देश भर से ऑर्डर्स आते हैं।
अब नॉर्मली कॉलोनी की शॉप कॉलोनी में ही रह जाती है, लेकिन Amazon के साथ ऑनलाइन आकर बिजनेस कॉलोनी से पूरे देश भर में बढ़ाने का मौका मिला।
अगर साथी सही हो और सपोर्ट पूरा मिले तो यूनिक से यूनिक बिजनेस भी आराम से आगे बढ़ सकता है।
जब एक लोकल सेलर को किसी और शहर से ऑर्डर आए ना, तो उससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं होता। और Amazon के साथ तो देश भर से ऑर्डर आते हैं।
सबसे मेन थिंग एक स्टार्टअप को जो चाहिए वो है विजिबिलिटी। Amazon के ऑनलाइन मार्केट प्लेस के साथ वो विजिबिलिटी हमें नेशन वाइड मिल गई।
बनिए लोकल से नेशनल और बढ़ाइए कदम तरक्की की ओर Amazon के साथ।
I hope you enjoyed hearing our seller stories, learning about their journeys and are looking to join in. On that note, we have come to the end of this session. We hope you learned इतना आसान है Amazon पे अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाना। Thank you.